Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to explain you about how to remove background from an image. Okay, so here you are seeing an image, right? In this image there is a background like yellow color. So if you want to remove this yellow color, you can follow this step. So first open your Chrome browser. People are using Photoshop to remove this, and they using crop tool to crop the complete object, and then finally they are removing the background. So I'm going to show you in single click how to remove the background. So first you are open bg. After typing remove bg, you will see first official website remove.bg. This is the superb website. It will work very fine. So you have to open this website only. Just click on this website. You will get this interface. You don't need to do anything. If you want a premium option, you can go here. So here you have see some upload image button. Just click on this upload image and select the image, which image you are going to remove the background. And just one thing, just not doing, here you can see the background yellowish image, everything is gone. So just click download, then you can open. So see friends, this image and this image, in a simple click the image background was gone. So thanks for friends. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, please comment it in below in comment section. Thanks for watching.